Break up?
You're breaking up with me.
It's over. For what? For Grace?
I feel like crap.
And when she moves her house?
I need a place to stay.
Well, not for long.
Isn't that your wife?
It's about friendship.
Oh.
Love. All love. And choices in life.
It's her decision. That's when I walk away.
It's Thunder One. Monday, 11 p.m. on 5.
从出生到现在没有刷过牙。
关于什么晚上说？开朗、乐观、往前走，这个是很重要的。
人生不只是海角七号，走进去去深入的了解他们的生活方式。
Stars for a Cause, premieres 16th July, every Thursday, 8 p.m. on Channel U.
Overeating giving you heartburn?
Quick! He needs a fast soothing relief of Gaviscon. It quickly soothes burning pain. Gaviscon's unique protective layer soothes the burning sensation to provide fast relief.